First tonight, another elected prosecutor suspended by Governor Ron DeSantis vowing to fight back. The governor maintains Orlando area State Attorney Monique Worrell neglected her duty.
What this state attorney has done is abuse that discretion and has effectively nullified certain laws in the state of Florida.
DeSantis made the announcement in Tallahassee accusing Worrell of failing to prosecute certain crimes to the fullest extent and dismissing more charges than any other state attorney. He also highlighted instances of violent crimes in the Orlando area allegedly committed by past offenders. The most recent, a case where 2 police officers were shot by a man investigators say was already on probation and not on bond after being charged with sexual battery. Critics are calling the move politically motivated, something the governor denies. But tonight, Worrell is pushing back with a message we've heard before.
If we're mourning anything this morning, it is the loss of democracy. I am your duly elected state attorney for the 9th Judicial Circuit, and nothing done by a weak dictator can change that.
It is a message similar to that of former Hillsborough State Attorney Andrew Warren after his suspension last year. He has been fighting to get his job back ever since. A judge even ruling the move by the governor was wrong, but stopping short of putting him back into his position. And tonight, Worrell is also vowing to fight her suspension. 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell spoke to an expert about her next steps and why she may be able to learn from Warren's legal battle.
Justice does not prevail in the state of Florida at this time.
Another year and another elected state attorney suspended from office by Governor Ron DeSantis.
We had a duty to act to protect the public from this dereliction of duty.
The governor says Orange and Osceola County State Attorney Monique Worrell didn't do her job and avoided being tough on violent criminals. Professor and attorney Jeff Swartz says a governor can remove an elected leader from office, but
not for the reasons that he took it here. The statute's intended to protect against office holders who are guilty of malfeasance, fraud, or some other criminal offense. Neither Ms. Worrell nor Mr. Warren are guilty of the kind of offenses or things that the governor should have acted in this way.
Andrew Warren met the same fate just over a year ago and has battled in the courts to get his position back. Swartz suggests that Worrell consider taking the issue directly to the Florida Supreme Court.
Mr. Warren, I think, made an error going to federal court. There really never was a federal question in this case, and by the time he appeared in state court, he was basically told it was too late.
While Worrell says her team is currently reviewing the administrative order before deciding what to do next, she says there's one thing you can be sure of.
That I am a fighter and that I intend to fight.
In Orange County, Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.
And while this new battle plays out, the governor appointed Judge Andrew Bain to take Worrell's place. Moving forward, it's up to the Florida Senate to determine whether a suspended office holder gets removed or reinstated. But that process likely won't come until the court process is finished.